Ahwefo ye chiche bibia aha ye Paco TV yeah na medin a meje so ba ko pe sailors send obi anim no 11th of this month coming Saturday pool party beba so no aha ene be mo ahwehwe view na aha Blue Royal yeah aha num na Saturday activities ni nyina ye be ka bom na ya be wa ha me pese kasa ne be tenten no me pese mo ba inside na mo de mo hwe view no na mo hu se ne a dwumadi ye be hyehyɛ so nti mo hwe ade mo de enko ahwefo se mo hu se na entrance net no from the view no you would see how the activities is going to be Saturday no aha Larteh Blue Royal aha na dwumadi ni nyina ye be fun games side attractions nyama bebre pool no so de ye wa kase mienu inside ye ba no mema mo hu nti mo de na nte ne hwe this is the place bibia ebekoso 11th November Saturday we ebe ya nti wo de mo men kwa inside na hwe. All right, Ashefo, send me kind no. Aha, Blue Royal. Na dwumadi ni nyina aha ina ebedi no Saturday. Fitia no pa kopim anwumre. Ba pool party na nkasa ebe start area 12. Nti this is the view. One of the best locations obenya e Ghana. Na oda ne ho a, o de hwe view no ubenya the whole of Greater Accra. O de enda ne ho ne hwe. Enda ne ho ne hwe. O ha view ben na ope. The whole Greater Accra obehu. This is the best place to be this November. And even months any years away in a good place to have fun, to stay with your loved ones, to even have some quiet time with yourself. Aha, need the best place I've ever Blue Royal. Someone who view no. Aha, ubehu from Hefa, Shy Hills, Greater Accra, bebia. Bebia is on who be aha, a very nice place to be. Nti ebehwe say Saturday no 11th November. Yebehu obia ewa ha. Se uye krapim ni na uye lateni na uye Ghana ni dia. Yebehwe w'anim. Se also beba na wabekan ho. Na yedi Ohum festival no ewa hanom. Umaye nante na yenhwe na hanom esopa nyama bebre wa hanom yebehwe ni nyina yo gym centers ni ade yo conference rooms ni ade. Oh, it just say make an makane sen nyama bebre wa ha nti mo de mmanya nante na mo hwe view no meto aso no sisi ya asane aba the lower part of a hotel Blue Royal Hotel we the mini pool within the building so we baby able to me have fun and said god no eba be adwuma nsese kakra ho person clean mu ni ade so this is one of the places you'll be having fun and igene there Saturday 11th November no ye beji enia pool no se na mo hu no ba kuni we spacious nipa bebre ebetumi adware efe na almost siesie mu de atwen Saturday nti Saturday de se wamba ha wa ha ho pa yesese lateni wo ye kwapem ni wo fi Eastern region na wo fi Ghana no ye behwe w'anim se obeba no abekan ho na dwumadi no ye ne nyina edi na abom Ohum festival ye nyina na edi abom Yen twɛn sɛ yɛn yɛbɛyɛ na wo wabɛhwɛ later. Yɛpɛ sɛ ɔba na wo nso wobɛhwɛ bi. Nti yɛnkɔ down. The biggest of all. Yɛn sɛ yo, ahwɛfo, sɛnea mekan no, aha ɛyɛ Pako TV. Ɛyɛn deɛ nea ɛde anigye ɛbɛbrɛ wo no, ɛno na de bi ayɛpere sɛ yɛde bɛma wo. Yeah, we are all about educating, entertaining, and giving you all the updates and the gist you want. So, sɛnea mekan no, Blue Royal grounds n'enu ɛno ni. Ɛna poolside na yɛbɛ use for the day no, ɛyɛ Saturday no, ɛno nso na ɛda hɔ kakrakaa no. Wei sɛ nipa 1,000 kra ɔmo bɛkom ba mehu sɛ ɔmo akyekyem nti mehu sɛ ɔmo akyekyem aha bɛyɛ for the kids and the other side for adults the whole day no aha ɛna yɛbɛyɛ bibiara ɛwɔ celebrities a wohia ɔmo biara no Saturday ɔmo bɛwɔ ha the main people a ɔmo bɛboa yɛn for Ohum so ɔmo bɛba nti the day no will be packed and will be choked with a lot of activities. Fun games and so the baby brew on senior or much share tent. You be to me I relax. If you want to have some drinks and as up say on tennis and now share senior and coffee geomania, you would. And also your court or honoma up say uncle diagro and I want to puma. You will have a safe place to have all those activities. Nante kakra na yɛhwɛ nea ɛbɛkɔ so. Oh, all right. So, mabɛhyia me nua baako ɛwɔ ha. Yeah. Me nua baako afe. So, afe. Yeah. Mesrɛ sɛ obey update yɛn minim sɛ Ohum festival no you are seriously involved in activities no dodo na gyina na so. Nti Saturday no nhyehyɛe no ɛtesɛn wo de boy mu.
Okay. The frame afi protocol sana dodo na frame. Say na oka no. Ohum Saturday no. Afi de enye better kora ewa hanom. Especially eba na say poolside hanom de enye easy. Aheya na poolside no bibia be koso ha. Na yele tonsa frɛ Ghana man nyina Larteh man adofo youth a we kwa pemha nyina obi ambra. Na Saturday ne de enye easy kora wa hanom. The Hana Bibia be koso for Saturday no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now say ye ba beji enu no obi wo hono ma obehwe so say in terms of ebi ankola na ade omo ba ibedware na ebi mpo mi a me nim nsu dware. Say me betom a obi wo ho obehwe na wa guide ana bibi.
Oh yeah, ya sanya mani nyina aguo. Ebi say nim say mpanyimfo beba, ebi say mpanyimfo reba ankola reba obi beba. Ena ye obi anso na onim say na ye dware. Enu so nti oba le blue ya hanom de a ye wo bi a oba obetuma direct to say bi wo ho a ye ne say obehye nsuwe mu a kwa ha say enko hanom aha ye we no mo de ye wo fit e wa hanom nti ye wo bi a oya instructor ohwe ni nyina so nso wa hanom a nti enche bi akra me do bekọ no no nso a o cheche no nso be chew because ono no ye expert e wo ho nto no no betumi a cheche onyama bebre akwachi
na minim say program no enye free there but matete say say edafam kra na skasem net sen
ampa se na ote se de wa ote no na you say aye flyer bebre flyer ye kwa out nyina rate de to so 20 cedis for regular purpose 20 cedis per if say per afi obia baby
half fe nyina
20 cedis per oba na ya yen da bi oba tobo ye pese ye hu se nansenga na ya den ntu ye pese obia baby no bia beje nani afe na so nti ye pese obia baby oba nso ye VIP section wo no so ye 40 cedis
oh okay
the 20 cedis ni the regular obia to me baby
okay
me say my imagine say me the girls be say 20 to be at 200 cedis me to me the girl be say 20 abahano.
Oh, 20 cedi there. Ahwefo.
Oh,
So say na ye kan no. Afi Ohum festival no. Ye ready. Ye ready ni yiye.
sure.
Hwe say Saturday, oba beji wani, ube dware pu.
Simple kura.
Anopa kopim anyime 20 cedi. Umpe we na afeden.
Me nua na yere kan san so ne
Yo.
yenwie. Ne ye ka so wo bahano ma. Ye wo sound. Ah sada na ye de bedi aguro
Yeah,
aha.
yeah, yeah.
Ndwom bia bi afro pop, hip life, old school bibia nyame ndwom bia bi na wo DJ se kukudan bebre a omaba omba be se so sada ne nti.
Oh, okay.
Obi ambra.
Oh,
Asada ne nye ize kura aha no.
medasi. Ahwefo. Nti moma ye nante. Na me hwe se menya instructor na ne ne mbɔ nkomo kakra. Inside na pin.
Okay, minia. Sana me di kan ka che no. Oba ha no ma. Se okopu bia ye instructor ohwe pu ne so. No no obe direct yen a obe chen the way be si fa use pu no. Na nyama esi edi hye pu nim ni nyama nyina. Nti ye me minia me brother me brother ba kope. Ono na oye instructor e pu side ya.
Oh, okay. Eja. Bichia obi medasi. But when say Saturday, there were activities be brave ha. Pool party na eba be ye no. When say me send minimum so adware be brave. But say na pool na so no, access sia me nya kwara nka me hura so. But me nim say ye nkrofo ba na so mo dros one. How is it going to be? Say ebia akwala bia betom ana bibia na obi onim adware no. How is it going to be? Yebenya sa waterproof ne sa nyama ni bia ye de be boy ho ban na bibi.
Okay, Bema, first of all, Madam Mas. Na un say pu bia uko pu bia o so nya life guide pu guide obe at least obe guide o se na be unim jana ko to deep side a obetuma be rescue se na be ya enkofa problem yamba. O me na me ho me na me hwe pu no so me na me twiti pu no ye kire sumi wa ha. So javi kola babies kra na etumi e kire o mo se na mo sumi na ade. Nze pu no se na feet by feet. Hanti no mo ba say am floating guide.
Nti wo de yembra cause sena pool no so no ase me hu nyina ya me nya nka sisia no ana sisia me ntumi ntom.
O this side so why ready there with me to.
Eh.
So be say hu se na.
Wo de yembɔ nkomo wie na. Me yi me hu. Ahwefo. Nti sena ye me yi mi chaw no pɛ na kyesa me tom ani o. Nti wo de bɔ me nkomo na me hu cause me hu se ye wo we wo hɔ a
Yo,
metumi ahyɛ mfifi na suspend me.
Yo, say be unko ase.
Okay.
Go no mo nim dware. Nti no ba na tumi de man na wa hyem. Say na betumi da ba deep side. Ba ya nim dware ne de ye mfa hwe.
Te sɛ mo sɛ no. Me sɛ no. Ɛpo ni mi krom nti we ya na me hyem.
Say ye nim sɛ ne de. Say say 6 feet. 5 feet, 4 feet. Nti go no ma me say me etia. Feet na wa. Chem ba me nim dware nti no mutumi ba ha.
Okay.
And obi so betom so always be a pull guide but so you ready.
So be save.
So because be to miss at any time I winning down so and then nya fe na call ho nti as a pull guide there you have to be ready.
Okay.
For any action.
Okay.
Because obi betumi atoma abra winning down na wo chire o say o ma weni konkofo no mo so no. So ni no so at say say na be a bibi ento obi nko drane obi nko senke nso eno enfo obi.
Mate.
So there we ahomete.
Asɛm.
Me
da say o waje pene say o be kan ho na Saturday activities no wabo an because ye gieni no say bibia enya asomdwem.
Yeah.
That ase. But one bo din na nche.
Me di Joe.
Oh, okay. Me that's pa. Nti there yeguso ye to environment no. Ye wi a me fro na mabe hye sis hanom in case of bibia me fro.
Mate.
Right, me that's.
Okay.
So senior yen guide no a kind no who say we are all set and prepared for Saturday 11th November. Hwe ahanom na bibia bekoso eni gine de aheya adwumtofo celebrities movie say obi a important personality bia ohia na organa bia Saturday aheya nombeba so view no so there no doubt about it say aha here one of the finest when it comes to the biggest hotels and also the nicest place you want to have fun, Blue Royal. Inti afe.
Yes sir, bro.
Misro send na guide ne kan o kire se na ye betumi adwan na wan kire bibia na ye besesan ho.
Baby, I best sign BBI are sure.
Oh, okay.
BBI are sure. Oshe Hanum say ya.
Oh, okay.
Hanum na air friend changing room.
Oh, okay.
The Hanum na ura inside that BBI how bet me as a sound. Oko hon say ya tiles be brave gugu ha. We peche we jari we out be pepa ho BBI or honum.
Yeah, unse we no. Mean to me some unse say anka me share inside na me share say me hot.
But what the Saturday no na bra. Uba nka say be che BBI.
Mate. The ahwefo say na ye pese obi ehu. Blue air ye pese obi aba Saturday na obehwe n'ani so ade. Wo a ho ba Larteh da no mesre say obeba. Na Saturday no so ye be streaming live e wo Paco TV. Nti ye be sre say obi a beba na wabehwe n'ani so ade. Price no so senior me bra Africa just 20 Ghana cedi.
Simple
VIP 40 cedi.
40 cedi.
20 cedi. Me fa ni pa be 100 because 20 cedi there. Ah. Ume nyina enhia Saturday e wa he ya.
Me nua no asem bi. Na ye ka na ye nkan wie. Ye reka kire e Larteh man nyina na Ghana man youth nyina sei. So oba ha na se bi o ha pese o sesan ho. Ebi wa unyim atare crowd be dware nso no kra oba full guard na obema obi.
O na chese ntare crowd be available.
Wa ha no ma free full guard na obema obi.
O na chese costumes nyina mpa
ready. Bibia wa ha no. So what you say?
And I feel Ohum media.
Then you so be hu we pool guard no. Obe settle na one man bibia kama.
Cause me I say me the girls omumu ye dru kakra nso be ba.
Oh bibia ya obikini be bregu ho.
Wow.
Obi ba ha no ni bia. Obetumi enya bi wa ha no ma odo bedware na ma bibia ye fefefe.
Okay.
Na reka ne sanso ni wie sada no so performance be brebe koso wo.
Cause matter say as musicians akesi bi I say yes Arabi ni obi ni
ampa omu nyina
grey num ni ade fitman num Lord Breezy num ni ade nyina reba.
Sure omo abubo ndi ni nyina ampa omu nyina reba. Na mo omo performance na nkasa na be koso anyimre e wo main street ne so. Na mo omo ba omo ba pusa na ya be some intro bi wa ha obi aba be perform
one or two. Ni fiti ase no kra anya be.
Ne just intro bi keke be mam wo ha no.
Oh nice.
Nti e che so obi amba na sada ne de ha de be de papa.
Ahwefo we de ochia mi onum kasa osena na wasumu a.
Sure.
Be stress Saturday mu nyina mba ba be kan ho. Na ya je ani na ya de odo abo odom. Nti ye be hia Saturday. Within the sailors. Na station a wohwe nso Paco TV. Say we be like no we follow. Senior next time activities bi e be bia no wo betumi ehu. Medamase.
Yo, Equapim Larteh, what's up, buddy? This is your boy Kwesi Ghana from Westside Legacy. Charlie, on the 11th November, you know, you say, I did show night market to Larteh. You better say, I did. All the beautiful girls should meet me there. Kwesi Ghana, overtaking anointing. So.
Yeah, where you be? Make a highlight for a second. Yeah, it's all about the Ohum Festival inside Larteh Equapim on the 11th of November this month. Yeah, Charlie, everybody will be there. I would like to see you for there. Everybody there. It's your boy Larteh boy. Come make you party, come make you have fun, Charlie. Come meet your loved one. I'm kidding. Come here, look good in shades. Peace.
Listen to the boy spit, boisterous, flow no big kramukumo sa joystick, rapper your babanka media you hell in the Troy check in case you never know cause Harry you the voice this. You already know we've been live on the set. Catch me 11th November, Larteh Night Market. It's all about Ohum Festival. It's gonna be crazy. Let's be there. Shouts to RNL. You know how it goes. Larteh, Boom.
Boom.
Yeah, you know,
It's your boy 30K Cody, man. You know, we coming straight down to buzz this shit at the Ohum committee planning, man. This 2023 live at Larteh. You are paying me, I understand. 10 p.m. shots. Want you all to log in, man. Let's buzz this shit down.
Yo, what's up? Big up to RNL for making this Ohum Festival concert happen inside Larteh. Night Market is the venue. I go by the name of Y'all Gray. Catch me live. Don't let somebody tell you. Momrani and Francesco.
I be dripping on Monday. I be dripping on Tuesday. Yo, you know it's your favorite trap star. Yo, we coming to Ohum on the 11th of November. You know your favorite trap star's gonna be there. A whole lot of stars gonna be there. RNL crew over there. SM family over there. You know, we'll be doing this in the mountains, you know, up in Larteh. Yo, come join me. Let's chill. Let's rock the stage. You know how we do.
Oh, sorry. Sister. Sorry. But what's your black? Listen, I don't get you. I'm sorry though. I'm sorry.
Yes, your woman I smell good.
Oh, smell good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, now the name is I smell good.
I don't understand. Sorry.
Oh,
what I use? Oh, Fragrance Cottage. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't use all though, just a little bit. This is a discovery set though.
Okay.
Not too much, please. Not too much. Can you put it back? Please put it back. Can you put it back inside? Yes, please.
But on
Instagram, Fragrance Cottage. They are on Instagram and all social media platforms. You can get yourself one.
Oh, number come on.
Go to Instagram, give them a DM, and they'll sort you out. All right? Can I go now? All right. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
Sports, news, entertainment, education. Papako TV. Experience the thrill of TV.